Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube video where I'll be showing you guys my new location for my vending machines. As you guys know, location for these vending machine business is key, so we'll see if I got a good spot and we'll go from there. As you guys can see, my vending machines are located in a laundromat. Here are my two vending machines. I have one snack machine and one pop machine. So it's time to stock these machines up. They look pretty empty. So there they are, machines are stocked up. Didn't get everything I wanted to get just because Costco didn't have everything I was looking for. But what do you guys recommend I put in here? What do you guys think are some good sellers? Same thing with the soda machine. I got a few open slots. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should put in here. I think these machines are gonna do pretty well here. It's a laundromat, so what do you do when you're closing the machine? Just grab a bag of chips, grab a soda, and hit like on this YouTube video, huh? So we'll be back here in a week, and comment down below how much money you guys think will come out of each machine. See you guys next time.